You swallowed. You're dumb.
Okay. What are you doing, Mom?
I heard you coming up the stairs.
You're like dumb.
And I remembered that you were scared of her. So I just said, hey, why not stand in there and scare her? Did you hear me run across?
No. You only scared me so bad.
What did I do? I can't remember now.
Okay.
Did I just yell at you or something? Was it
You know what?
All I see was that.
I'm videotaping for my YouTube show.
You recorded?
Yeah, you're gonna be on my YouTube show.
Okay.
I recorded the whole thing.
Well, too bad you can't do nothing.
This is Chastity.
Oh. Well, my bad. I'm gonna get some seats. And I'm probably get myself a Mountain Dew.
You're a bitch.